Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another amazing video. And today I am making banana milkshake. We are making banana milkshake. Yes, it's Christmas, it's December, it's hot outside there. So we need to make simple recipes that can ensure that our family are enjoying staying at home. And if you're new here, welcome to this channel. It's where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing, and lifestyle in general. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we can continue to make this YouTube channel to grow, and kindly share and hit that notification bell. So let's go to our ingredients. We have bananas. Yeah, it's a banana milkshake. So we have bananas. We are going also to use we are using the vanilla ice cream, and then lastly we have milk, and that's all for today. So let's us go. Let's make the vanilla ice cream. Yes. So we will start by just peeling our bananas and putting them in the blender. So this is also another idea. If you have a lot of bananas in the house, like myself, don't let them go to waste. You can make the milkshake and then put it in the fridge. So I'm using we'll see if we'll add, these are 5 small bananas. So if you have big bananas, this is the size that I have in the house. So these are small sizes, so I've picked 5. You can use more. You can see they are well ripe. So these are a few. Depending on my family, let me add more bananas. Let me add more bananas. I'm adding more bananas to ensure that everybody will have a glass of milkshake. Yes, you can add as many as you want, but at least I've added 3 more. And now we have put our bananas as the first thing. Next thing, we are putting our ice cream. Now the funny thing, I was put this ice cream in the freezer. When I came with it, then we forgot. So, but we are going to just use it the way it is. So we are going to use I have put the whole of it, but I don't think. Let me leave some for me to eat. So that's the ice cream. And then lastly, we are going to use milk. You can use any milk. So milk, and then now we blend. And just like that, we have added banana, ice cream, and milk, and then we blend. Yes. So I'm adding. Let me see the consistency, and then I see what to add. So I'm adding the milk. Yes, Papa. I'm adding the milk. And then to make it thicker, let me add a banana. Wait, Papa, I'm coming. I'm adding a banana for it to be a bit thicker. And just like that, we have our banana milkshake at home. Just like that. Just like that. A 5 or 2 minutes recipe, and you are done with it. So what we need to do is to put our milkshake in a glass so that I can enjoy it. I can taste how it's tasting. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Abo. Hey, guys, it is tasting amazing, amazing, amazing. Ooh, let me see. Let me first drink this glass. Anyway, guys, that's all. You just mix the ice cream, milk and bananas, and you have your yummy milkshake. So if you want it extremely cold, you can just add ice cubes in. I don't have ice cubes in my house, so you can put ice cubes for it to be cold, but for me, I just want it just that way. And guys, that's all for today. If you have enjoyed this recipe, kindly subscribe and share so that I can bring you more and amazing recipe here at home. So bye till next time. Let me continue enjoying my milkshake. Bye.